Introducing TaCT, Converts Tracking and Communication Technology, providing military and industrial customers with the ability to accurately track and monitor tools and equipment, both indoors and outdoors on the same network. Adding location monitoring to your business could save operating costs of 30% of your total asset value by reducing loss or theft, increasing workforce efficiency, reducing maintenance, and making better use of your most expensive assets. Our smart tags combine location services with bi-directional data transfer to further increase the power and value of location in your business. TaCT monitors the position of tag in a radio network defined by fixed anchors. The radio network is bridged to wider cloud-based services for data storage and processing. Tag location and data can be accessed through a well-defined JSON API via supporting mobile or web-based user applications. Let's take a look at each component in more detail. The tags are the devices being tracked, available in various robust designs with an operating battery life of up to 5 years. They can combine multiple locating techniques using low-power radio, Bluetooth LE signaling, and global navigation satellite technologies. Additional onboard sensors are available to monitor environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, vibration, and shock, alongside accurate location across indoor and outdoor areas. Anchors define site-wide radio tracking zones through indoor and outdoor areas, over multiple buildings, across multiple floors. Battery power ensures they are easy to install and provide up to 5 years of operating life. Gateways bridge the radio network to wider services via a wired or wireless network connection. Cloud-based application services provide processing and databasing operations, and a well-defined software API supports our user-facing applications or allows direct integration into existing client applications. Easy-to-use web and mobile user applications allow system configuration and visualization of each tag's location on satellite or plan views, as well as access to tag data for graphing and analysis. By defining geofenced areas, the system will provide alerts when restricted tags enter or leave geofenced zones for even greater control of your assets and operating processes. Our wide range of tag designs are suitable for all applications, providing basic location services up to the multi-technology EPD platform, which includes a low-power messaging screen, perfect for safety and compliance applications. The screen provides direct end-user feedback based on location, time, condition, or other system-related events for full integration into operational processes. Data security is at the very heart of TaCT and has been considered in all aspects of the system design. Low-power radio protocols are protected via 128-bit AES keys, and secured network interfaces with controlled user access ensure data is protected from the moment it is collected on the tag to the moment it is delivered to the user on request. Additional protections, including onboard data caching, guarantee data delivery in the event of network failure, and tamper protection circuitry is available to protect the network against malicious attack from unauthorized entry. We are confident in the security of our designs and have successfully completed third-party security audits by independent security experts. All radio components meet the practical requirements for HERO compliance with active ordnance, and we are happy to evaluate your specific safety requirements wherever possible. Our patent-protected class-leading technology is available under license with a range of flexible pricing options. So call us today for more information and let location transform your business for the 21st century.